Sing Barney for me.
Let's get ready for bed.
Hey, Barney, where are you going to sleep tonight?
Well, I'm going to sleep out here under the stars. Hey, there's the Big Dipper. It's a group of stars in the northern sky that form the shape of a big spoon or dipper. See? Look, 4 stars form the bowl and 3 stars make the handle.
The Big Dipper's a constellation. Isn't that right, Barney? What's that? A constellation is a group of stars.
That's right, Jeffrey. And you can really see the stars out here because it's so dark.
It's almost too dark. Hey, let's get our Barney beamers.
Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, boy. I love to go camping. All this neat equipment and stuff.
I'm a beamer. Funny shadows of your hands. Here, I'll go. Barney.
Yes, Michael?
Can you guess what this is?
Oh, let me see here. I think that's a dog.
That's right.
Oh,
What about this, Barney?
Oh, let me see. It's got 2 long ears and it's kind of hopping. So, it must be a bunny rabbit. Oh, that's it. Oh, good. Oh, golly.
Hey, I have one.
Oh, okay.
Try to guess this one, Barney.
Okay. Oh my. It's kind of flapping, like it's got wings, yes. And, let's see, it looks like some kind of a bird.
Right! You're always right, Barney.
Oh, thank you. Let's see. This could be a tough one. It's big, whatever it is.
I love Barney. Like you.
Big like you.
Daddy.
Oh, and it's got a big face. Is it a dinosaur like me?
Sure.
Oh, boy.
Oh, that was fun. I like it.
I don't know about you, but I'm very sleepy.